On Saturday, May 25th, several powerful tornadoes tore through North Texas, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. Huffines Subaru, alongside members from Subaru of America, stepped forward to extend a helping hand to the affected community. Together, we packed containers of food, drinks, and essential supplies for those directly impacted by the storms. One of the 4 tornadoes hit Lake Ray Roberts Marina, leaving many residents in desperate need.
So I heard my phone go off, and of course I was laying there and the wind was picking up, and I was like, So I finally got up and I checked my phone, and it said, tornado warning in your area, take cover. And then all of a sudden everyone started running in, and they're like, run, 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 and we just heard the tornado just right over us.
I fell asleep in the camper over here, and I woke up, and the camper is obviously, part of the camper is right here. I'm assuming that's probably the frame right there, but I actually ended up way over there by the blue tarp, and I was knocked out cold. And someone walked over and gave me a blanket, and but when I woke up, I looked around, and it didn't look like a campground at all. I mean, this is what I saw: complete devastation. It felt like a bomb went off. Like, just look around. You wake up from your sleep and you look around. It's the whole world changes within like a few seconds.
Right.
That night, him and I were just playing catch over here, and you wake up and you lose everything.
Yeah.
You lose your car, you lose RV, everything, man. I have staples and stitches in my head,
Yeah.
and then my neck,
Yeah.
and then I have 23 staples in my kneecap, and then you saw my back. It's pretty
Yeah.
gnarly,
Yeah.
So thankfully the kids and my wife's okay. I mean,
Good.
could have been a lot worse, thank God,
Team members from Huffines Subaru and Subaru of America rolled up their sleeves and got to work. They moved debris to dumpsters, helped residents locate personal items, and provided much-needed support on the ground. Subaru loves to care, and we are committed to standing with our community, offering not just supplies, but hands-on assistance and heartfelt compassion.